If you're looking to set some new goals, build some new habits, and create a life you enjoy living, then you need to start, and start right now. There will never be a perfect time to start. There is no set time to start. You just need to jump in the deep end and try and swim for yourself. You probably clicked on this video because you're probably lost and you don't know how to start doing new things. It could be exercising, it could be learning how to surf, it could even be learning to speak a new language. At the moment, if you're like the majority of the population, you've probably watched countless hours of YouTube videos trying to figure out how you can actually start doing what you want to start doing. Well, I'm going to be giving you some pretty crucial and awesome advice that's going to help you to start doing what you actually want to start doing in this video right here. So stick around to find out what you're actually doing wrong. The advice I have for you today is to just do it. Just start doing it and get the ball rolling. Whatever you want to do, it's going to take some time to learn and time to make progress, but it's going to be worth it in the long run. The more time you wait and the more time that you spend putting it off until later, the further and further away you're going to become from reaching your goal. I'm going to give you 5 steps to actually starting and making progress. Number 1 is to set a goal that you actually want to achieve. Now, be reasonable with setting the goal so that you can achieve it, but also be ambitious with the goal so it challenges yourself. Number 2 is going to be get going. You just need to start, get the ball rolling, and get your foot in the door of learning your own way on how to do the thing that you want to learn. It's also the hardest part about doing anything new. You just need to start and get going. Number 3 is build on what you have. You're going to need to, over time, make the activity that you're doing progressively harder and challenge yourself in different ways so you can make progress with it. This is called progressive overload. Number 4 is going to be repeat the process. You're going to fail at a lot of things and other times you're going to succeed. But when you do fail, you need to get back up and get going again, because that's the only way you're going to make progress and get closer and closer towards that goal that you ultimately want to achieve. Number 5 is going to be building an army of habits. Over time, after repeating the process for different things and learning new habits, you'll find that you've built an army of habits that you stick to religiously. Whether that be daily, monthly, weekly, it doesn't matter. You're going to have a build up an army of habits that you can use to your advantage to build the life that you want to lead. Most important part to make progress is going to be consistency and learning as you go. When you mix these 2 things together, you're going to get progress and results. If you are getting better at something over time and you fail and learn from your mistakes, over time this is going to build progress and you're going to finally see the results that you're looking for. In the end, when you're starting out on your journey, you only need 2 things and 2 things only. 1, you need to start. 2, you need to learn and progress from there. You do these 2 things over time, you'll get to where you want to be. If you want to follow my progress on this YouTube channel of building up the YouTube channel to an army of like-minded people who are always wanting to improve themselves, then hit the subscribe button bit down below. Hope you got tremendous value from this video. If you did, subscribe to follow the journey, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.